Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying drivers and a clean baseline, because without that you won't know what's driving load. Update the GPU driver, then open Task Manager or your GPU utility and record current % usage for the baseline. Next, close all non-essential apps, browsers, background game launchers, and syncing tools to eliminate noise. Make sure the OS power profile is balanced or power saver, not high performance. Once done, reboot if a driver updated. This ensures measurements reflect the new state. You now dig into the middle of the process. Find the top GPU consumers and decide whether to throttle, reconfigure, or terminate them. Use app settings to reduce workload, lower resolution, disable or reduce anti-aliasing, and cap FPS at 60 or another realistic target. Offload decoding selectively. Enable hardware acceleration for video apps that need it, but disable it in browsers and background tools that don't. Finally, use per app GPU settings in the driver to set preferred GPU or limit power per application. You finish by applying final tweaks and validating stability to keep GPU usage down. Set the driver power management to optimal power, enable a frame rate limiter, or use in-game limiters so the GPU never runs full tilt unnecessarily. If comfortable, undervolt or reduce the power limit by 5 to 15% and run stress tests to confirm stability and temperature reductions. If something breaks or performance collapses, revert recent changes one at a time, test each app, and isolate the offending component before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.